Hello friends, how are you all? Today we will learn how to draw a bee very easily. First we will draw a circle to draw the bee. Next, draw two eyes. Draw a mouth between the two eyes. Draw a circle inside the mouth to make the bee look more cute. Next we will draw the body of the bee. On either side of the head, draw two small antennas with small balls. On the body, draw two wings. You can draw the wings in other ways if you want. Draw some black stripes to the body. Next, under the body, draw 4 legs. But you can draw 3 pairs of legs if you want. Finally, we have successfully drawn a bee. Now it's time to color the bee. We will start with the red color first and paint red into circles. Then I will take another color for the mouth. You can use pink color for the mouth if you want. Then we will use yellow color for antennas. We will use the same color for the whole face. And for some parts of the body, we will use yellow color. Next, we will use black color for the rest of the body. And lastly, we can use sky blue color to color the wings. You can use other colors if you want. Welcome to the next video.